Alright guys, we are back. We still have lots of beautiful sunshine. We got the Blazer put back together. We're going to get you flipped around to show you what I did. Alright guys, over here on this side, this gap was really bad. Part of this gap is the headlight adjustment, so there's not really a whole lot you can do about this, but this trim in this bottom piece was like really bad. This one always stays flush and this angle remains, but this bottom one was really like just out. It wasn't staying in, and the grill right here was kind of messy. I definitely need to get out and properly adjust these headlights on this, guys, but we took care of that gap. That gap's gone, man. So working on a little bit of the front end on this thing. You see, guys, it's like the one over here. Definitely looks good. I like it. Definitely loving the sunshine. We got the mini truck loader back here. I have to leave, go to Warsaw here in a little bit, guys. We got to pick up my kids, and we'll be coming back. Man, that wind is great. It's probably loud in the video. Sorry, guys. But you see, all that is definitely gone out of there. I think that's a dirt spot, guys. I'll have to get that off there. But that's TrapWay, the mini truck. We took this for a drive the other day. It's kind of nice. The new air ride is definitely good. I got a new Air Max compressor coming with switch and relay, so all that'll get redone. That thing will come out of there. One day when it's nice and warm, we're definitely gonna get out here, clean these wheels up a bit, guys. Maybe do some more on this. I want to get it lifted up, get a look underneath the ball joints, things like that, guys. Hubs, brakes, all that sort of thing. And that'll probably be some of the next project on the mini truck to come, so that'll be something to look out for, guys. The Equinox is back there. It don't get much love. Let's look at this poor thing, guys. Chevy gang, ain't no bow ties in here. There it is, guys. Man, look at them stains in my driveway, guys. Definitely gonna have to power wash them out of here. That's definite. But that's what it is. That's what I'm out here doing today, guys. It's beautiful. Beautiful. I hope everybody's out enjoying their day. We got some more cold weather coming, and I'm definitely gonna get back inside and edit some clips. And we'll probably finish up on the F-150. Get the rest of those videos out. Melvin Cremens and the Camaro SS. That thing's amazing, guys. Those videos will be to come. There's a lot of videos in there. More of cruising in Kendallville. Brett Mishler's got Mustang in there. Lots of cars, guys. I can't think of all of them offhand to even really give you examples. Lots of footage, lots of good stuff. So we'll be back, guys. We're just chilling out on Sunday. That's what it is. Keep on trapping, guys.
We stand out like bird shit on a black shoe.